Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y33s, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, extend it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page right over here. So once you find it, you can either turn it on automatically with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it will function. So from here, go through all the options, customize them to your liking, and simply leave this area. And when you want to actually enable it, go back to the toggle. After you have set it up, tap on it, and there we go, it's now enabled. So right now we are running the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can see right here, this tiny little icon. Once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it off, and everything will basically go back to functioning normally. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.